Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video. If you recognize this logo, you might know what's inside. If not, not to worry. That's what I'm here for. Alright guys, so here I have a full power airsoft PEQ-15 from Somo Gear. So Somo Gear is a company based out of Hong Kong, and they make full power, high power, and low power IR and laser aiming modules, and this is one of their versions of the PEQ-15. I got this most recently in a restock, and it is a green laser, full power. Overall looks pretty decent. The one thing it's missing, so on the real ones, the housing here kind of has this like rubberized texture feeling and weighs a little bit more. It comes with this firing cable, so the firing cable, whatever mode you set it on, you can push this button right here, which is rail mounted, and then the visible or the IR laser goes off. Now, one of my buddies recommended the brand to me because he actually uses one of these on his rifles, and when he shot it, he did about 1,000 rounds in a day, and it didn't lose zero the whole time, which was really impressive. A lot of people narc on these because, from what I've seen, because it's not real. It's a fake. You're paying like, I don't know, I think I paid like $250 for this. And it is potted, so potted just means the internals are more reinforced and whatever. But anyways, yeah, people narc on these, but I wanted to try one out for myself before I made any opinions on it, and I'm super excited to test this out. I do have to zero this. I think I'm going to do a 50-yard zero. I don't remember what we did in the Marine Corps, but I remember it was still a decent ways out, and we did it during low light setting just so it was easier to track. But here on the PEQ, this adjuster is for up and down, and then this is for your left and right. Remember, if you put it offset to the side, that it changes, so this becomes your left and right one, and then this one becomes your up and down. So just be aware of that if you're offsetting it to the sides, or if you're putting it on top, then these dials adjustment is as it should be. Yeah. Oh, good clicks. Feels solid. You got these protector screws here. You can take these out and put them out on the side if you wanted to go full power or whatever. And then yeah, this side, these appears to be for this one, and then this one. I don't remember which one is which. I think this one is the IR side and this one's the visible laser side. But yeah, you have your adjustments on each side respectively. Overall, seems pretty solid. Has these other mounting kits, some Allen screws, and some stickers to put on there. But super excited to mount this and test it out, and I will give a follow-up and review on how it actually works. And it even comes with a nice little flathead screwdriver for all your adjustments. And if I recall, these run off of C123As. So if you have those, you should be good to go. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.